We've got two different types of sweet and salty popcorn. What's your favorite popcorn?
I think it's sweet and salty popcorn.
Well, that's really handy because that's what we got. This is kettle corn, sweet and salty. So we've got Boom Chicka Pop. This is sort of like, I think probably the known name brand. This is in every grocery store. And then we've got this one, Popcorn Indiana. Now, first of all, this one here, the Popcorn Indiana, was 10 cents cheaper. Yep. But what about the amount of popcorn that you get in these?
Well, you get 7 ounces in this one, but 8 ounces on that one.
So it's cheaper and you get more.
And if you go to the back, per serving, it's less calories.
Wow. So it's slightly healthier.
Quite cheaper.
Slightly cheaper and you get more of it.
Yes.
All right, well, let's crack these open and see if we have a favorite. So this one looks like it's got more stuff on it.
Yeah, yellow.
And yeah, a bit more yellow. I think we're seeing why there's less calories in this one. This looks more just like regular old popcorn. Right, let's give these a try, see what we think. This is both sweet and salty.
I got the right bit of it.
What do you think?
Missing out on a lot of salt, I think.
Not very salty, just too sweet? Okay, try this one. This is quite salty.
Yeah, but salty, but now not sweet enough, I don't think.
Do you think this one's salty, more salty than sweet? Let's try this one. You're right. This is sweet and this is salty.
Yeah.
So if you want sweet and salty popcorn, you need to...
both at once.
Okay. That looks a huge improvement. All right, I'm going to give you popcorn kernel number 1. Here you go. I'm going to give it to you in your hand, but okay. So just try that one first.
Oh, that's the red bag, whatever that one.
That's the red bag, okay. And then the second one.
Oh, happy.
Oh.
No, whatever this one is sweet, that one salty.
So the first one that you had
Was salt.
was the salty one, and
Yeah.
the second one was the sweet one?
Yes.
Okay, take your blindfold off. That was exactly the wrong answer.
Oh, I don't wait around.
I think I could tell. All right, give me the first one. Okay.
I thought total.
The first one that I had was this one, and the second one was this one.
Right.
Yes. Okay, so on a sample size of 1, I can tell the difference. All right, so I think we both agree that it's pretty good, right?
Yeah.
Both of them. But the real test is not how it tastes, but how gravity affects it.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.